decomposers, and decay. The food chains and food webs that you looked at in the previous topic did not include microorganisms. But microorganisms are everywhere. They live in the air, in the soil, in water, on our skin, and inside our bodies. The apple in the picture has microorganisms growing on its surface. Each spot on the apple is made up of millions of cells of microscopic fungi. This kind of fungus is sometimes called mold. The apple is moldy. The microorganisms have changed the apple. They have made it decay. Organisms that make things decay are called decomposers. Many different kinds of microorganisms, including some kinds of bacteria and microscopic fungi, are decomposers. Apples come from plants, which are living organisms. Any substance that has been made by a living organism, by a plant or animal, is called organic matter. So, apples are organic matter. Some microorganisms can break down organic matter when they feed on it. This is what has caused the apple to decay. The microscopic fungi have broken down the crisp, fresh apple and made it become brown and soft. They have made the apple rot. The spots on the apple are colonies of fungi.
What are decomposers? What causes an apple to decay? What is mold? Where do microorganisms live? What is organic matter? What happens to an apple when it decays? What do decomposers feed on? What is the role of decomposers in nature? What type of cells make up mold? What is the result of decomposition?